Hey everyone, it's Mark here at SOLIDWORKS World. We're at the Partner Pavilion with Steve from NVIDIA. Steve, how's the show going for you guys?
It's been great. We've got some really exciting things that we're showing, and we'll talk about those a little bit more. And yeah, this is probably 8th or 9th year I think we've actually been at this show. So.
Awesome. Very good, very good. Tell everybody a little bit about NVIDIA. I'm sure most people know, but
yeah.
Give us a little blurb if you don't mind.
So NVIDIA, as you know, most people know us for our gaming cards called GeForce. However, this is SolidWorks, which we consider a professional application. So we're touting all of our Quadro goodness that goes along with professional applications. And really important that we work closely with SolidWorks for ISV certifications, which you can only get on your Quadro cards.
That's great, thanks. Yeah. And I also noticed you have a Mac over here. Can you
yeah,
talk a little bit about
right.
that?
So what we're trying to show here is that we've got a virtual machine that we've got the Quadro goodness inside that virtual machine. And we're trying to point out that you can run that virtual machine on any device you want to. It can be a MacBook, it could be a Chrome OS, it could be a thin client, whatever it is, because all the processing power of the GPU is actually in the server, in the data room, and that's where that virtual machine is actually running.
That's really amazing. That's really amazing. I think a lot of our clients are really excited about that. So
yeah.
Thank you, Steve. Appreciate that.
You bet. Thank you. Okay, another thing that's kind of cool, and we can walk right over here, is to show you our AI Denoiser that's included with Visualize. So let's go take a look at that.
Hey, so Rick, tell us a little bit about the AI Denoiser. You guys, I saw it on stage at SolidWorks World here. So can you give us a little bit of information for our clients?
So this is a recurrent denoising autoencoder, which is part of our optics framework, which SolidWorks has integrated into Visualize. What it does is it is learned to recognize the difference between noise and the final production image. So what we can do is we can look at this at any angle, and after 10 passes have been resolved through the path tracer, the denoiser is going to kick in and basically remove your noise.
Wow, so that just basically means, in layman's terms, super fast rendering.
Right. We look at it from a preview point of view. You can see we can remove the noise much quicker than if you wait for it to resolve. This is the noise image you'd be dealing with at the current point of rendering, versus turning on the denoiser, we can remove that, and it's recurrent, and it's going to continually progress as the path traced image underneath it gets better and better.
Wow, that's great. Thanks, Nick. Appreciate it.